You buy F-250 and want to take it next level but have no idea what to do? Let me show you. You do this. You take it to Willies at Akins in Winder, Georgia, and get the Covert Edition package. We're leveled on 37s, 2.5-inch coil spring with Fox shocks in the front as well as a Fox steering stabilizer. We have beautiful, amazing 22-inch Fuel Maverick wheels on 37, 12.5, 22 Ridge Grapper tires. We took off the factory board in lieu of the Ant Research Power Deployable running board. It drops down 3 inches lower than that factory board and just cleans up the lines. Overall, it's like magic when it goes up and down, y'all. And look, from this side shot right here, this is for Karsten Kopchick. He's from South Carolina, reached out to us, a great guy, and saw one of our videos, said, let's run it back with another variation, but Lariat Sport action right here. This is the first Lariat Sport I've seen us do like this in particular, and I really love it. You got rear wheel well liners out back as well as Firestone airbag for just added confidence. When we know we're about to do some towing action, and the Fuel Maverick, you may say it's overplayed, but I say it's one of the top 10 wheels of all time. It's just a clean and classy way to make sure you can get that distinct custom look. 22 by 10, -24 is what we're rolling with here. So a lot of this informational video of ours is to help make sure you get the right setup. So 22 by 10, -24, we're a good 4 inches outward, and it's got a good balance still. We're not too elevated as far as the overall lift. But still running 37, so changing the game right here for you on ways to be legit with a speedometer calibrator as well, and a true coil spring replacement up front. There's your Fox shock and a new track bar from Ready Lift. The Lariat Sport on this Power Stroke diesel is phenomenal. I love all the black accents, the bumpers, even the bronzy black on the emblem. Inside the headlights are already blacked out. And with the Power Stroke, we're so strong on the power. We're almost 500 horsepower and we're over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. So this truck will walk the dog on any GMC, y'all. I'm telling you, you don't want none of the Ford. And we sell Ram here too. They're phenomenal too. And we got a Diamond right here. Check this out. Carly pin top Everest Edition right there. Ram 2500. You don't want no smoke with the Ford, I promise you now. So I'm just telling you. Scenarios like this where great customers find us online and then are willing to drive to do business with us, like that is huge. That really means something to me, y'all. Oh my gosh, like, man, I really do appreciate all of you that take interest and watch us and watch what we do. I want to bring y'all more in-depth videos where we're showing more action up at the shop of what's actually taking place, because I'm sitting here thinking from a viewer standpoint, like I need to show you more of the ins and outs and the hows and the whys, because that would be interesting to me. So look for that and let me know in the comments if that sounds good to you. And until next time, you got to just stay tuned because we ain't slowing down. Peace out.